Okay, kids, I bought one of these clamps for my Ford 6.0 diesel. This is for the up pipe to the turbo. Looks like this. This is the little, this isn't the exact one. And this is the screw that came with this. What I discovered was I was not able to torque it to spec because these little ears here would start spreading apart. After I measured this with a caliper, I noticed that this was wedge shaped. At the end, it's about 10 or 15 thousandths thinner than it is up at the stud. So when you pull on it, it tends to spread those apart. So yeah, awesome. It says on the clamp it said made in China. What the hell does that say? Oh yeah, HO in China. So anyway, I'm going to take this off and I'm going to make me, well, I'll just show you. You kids just sit still. Okay, I've already determined the diameter I need is 344 thousandths. And the clamp in question is still on the engine. And if any of you that have done this before know, the only way to get the clamp off is to pull the turbo back off. And that is a royal pain in the nutsack. So I'm going to make this little cylinder to fit in there, drill a hole through it, and I'm going to thread it. And then I'm going to grind this off, and I'm going to thread this and thread it in. And then I'll have a nice straight cylinder, not this tapered wedge shit. So anyway, oh, look at that. Better lock that down. So come along for the ride, kids. Here we go. Let me crank this bad boy in there. This is, hang on here, get some light. This is 375. So I'm not even really going to get too crazy about measuring this. 375 to 344 is 31 thousandths, which means I need to take about 15 off the diameter. So here we go. Let's just touch off. There we go. We are touched off. Set that to 0. Got the gears turning. And this S7 is pretty tough shit. So I'm going to give her about 7. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, slow down. All right. Go back. And then just go all the way. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah. All right. Yeah. Okay, kids, there it is. I didn't show the tapping portion because I was afraid that I was going to break my tap the whole time I was doing it. That S7 tool steel is tougher than Mike Tyson. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to take that cylinder back off there, stick it back there in that stupid clamp. You can see it back there. And then thread this rod into it and see if this works.